This is the Z-bar and the clutch pedal assembly for a 1968 Nova. It is original to the car. The car had it had 47,000 or 57,000 miles on the odometer, and I strongly feel that those are original miles because the car had some light body work done here and there, and one primer job done on it. And under that, it was a original factory red paint, so Toyota red. But this thing, I've soaked that a long time ago in molasses and water mixture for quite a long time, and it is not painted. It's actually bare steel. You can see some slight little rust speckles that have started forming over the past 6 or 7 years it's been out here in the shop. But the thing is very solid. All this is in good shape. Little plastic pieces there on the shaft for the bushings. Those aren't broken. Let's see if I can hold it still here. There's the clutch pedal. There's the brake pedal. And there's something there. I don't remember if that was for the speedometer cable or what. I can't remember. Something attached there. All 4 studs are on it. The nuts are there. There's the adjustment for the let's see, that is the brake, I believe. I said it was a clutch. But at any rate, there it is. You cannot buy these anywhere on the internet because on a 68 Nova, forgive me, I'm trying to hold this camera with one hand. That section right there on a 68 Nova, this area is taller on 68 Nova. The 67 to 69 Camaros, I go to them just for curiosity, and it is not as high. On the 67 to 69 Camaro, it's not recessed up as high in there. And also, on a 68 Nova, there are 3 metal rods that go up into the dash that hold this, to where on 69 and up Novas, on the 69 and the 67 to 69 Camaros, there's only these 2 bolts. So I don't know why there was an extra rod there. I guess to help support for some reason, but the next year they omitted it and didn't use it. But if anybody's interested in this, make me some offers, and if you offer me the right price for it, I'll pay to ship it for free. But I'm not giving this away because, like I said, I know for a fact you cannot find that part. You can probably find this part, I haven't looked. But these are original 68 Nova parts. So if you're interested, let me know.